Today I will show you how to set the presets on our camera controller. First, you click this store one. If you think this is the right way, and click the one. So this is your first one preset. Preset 1, preset 2, preset 3 for you. And how to call the preset? You just need click the call and 1, 2, 3 if you want to be this one. This one is preset 1, preset 2, preset 3. If you want to delete the preset, you can click the clear. And if you want to delete the preset 1, so you can check this one is delete. That's all.